Whoa, guys, you know what? Finally, I just get me some Congolese food. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's gonna be my first time trying Congolese food. You know what I'm saying? I never eat African food before. I'm from the Caribbean. I'm from Central America. I never eat African food before. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have some Congolese jello rice, Congolese goat, you know what I mean? And I don't know what kind of sauce is that. You know, I'm gonna eat some Congolese food. You know what, guys? Let's eat together. Whoa, look at how beautiful it is. I don't have a stand for my camera, but I'm gonna make sure you can see what I'm doing. You know, I don't have a stand. Look at that, guys. This is my first time eating African food. Look, I paid $18 for that. I think the price is too high. Haitian will give me more food for $18. You know, this is the good. You know, back home we fry them. You know what I mean? It's good. You just have a different taste. If you boil it and fry it after boil, if you fry it after boil, it will taste better. You know what I'm saying? After boil, he has to fry it. He just boiled it, he doesn't fry it. You know. This is good right here. That's not bad, but it's just better if you fry it after boil it. Look at that. Put a lot of stuff in that food. Look. Look at that. It's different though. They have their own taste though. They have their own taste. It's not soft though. It's too hot to come out from the bone. It's not soft. But I like it though. It's good food. That's good food. Look at that. Hey, that sauce is very spicy. That tastes like our food though. It's just expensive, y'all. For $18, I can buy a lot of stuff. The meat is too hard. But I like it though. I like the taste. I like the taste, man. They have their own taste, man. I like the taste. Wow. That rice is good too. They have their own taste. One thing I like about the Haitian rice, they have natural taste. But that, I cannot tell what they have in that rice, but it tastes good though. I love it. It's different. It's different though. We have the rice back home we call Ali King. Ali King, yeah, Ali King. That is like Ali King just a little bit, not too much. It's not too dry. It's very wet. That's good food though. That's good food. That's good food though. It's good. The rice is good. Only the gut is too hard to come out from the bone. That's good food. The rice is not too dry. You don't have to have sauce like Haitian have legume, sauce pra. You don't need this kind of stuff because the rice is not dry. The Haitian rice is sometimes just dry. That one is very wet though. You don't need any sauce. Sometimes we have some good legume. You can put some legume on it. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna finish that meal. I have a lot of stuff to do today. Yeah, I don't have camera stand. I hope you like that video. If you like it, just let me know. So I'm out though. I got a lot of stuff to do. You know. So I'm out. So I'm going to do the rice for the first time. Good stuff.